Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can incorporate a weaving technique into your macrame projects. The weaving knot we will be learning today is the Raya knot, and this knot is perfect for adding fringe or tassels or even adding length to your macrame projects at the end of them. For this tutorial, I went ahead and attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot, and I tied off a section of horizontal double half hitch knots just so we have a space to work in. Let's get started. To begin, I'm going to bring in another rope, and I'm going to use these 2 ropes here on the left end. Using that new rope, I'm going to send one end around to kind of go through the little gap. Then I take the other end to go around the side on the right, through the gap, and then I'm going to tuck it underneath the loop. And then I just pull it tight. And that is all there is to this knot. So now I'll move on to the next 2 ropes. Once again, I bring in a second rope. I take the side on the left and curl it around the farther left rope to go around. I take the right side to curl around the right rope, and it's going to go through the loop, and then I pull it tight. You take the left end, curl it around the left rope through the little opening. Take the right end, curl it around the right rope through the loop, and pull it tight. And there you go. So this is just a great technique to add tassels, fringe, and extra length to your macrame project. So if you ever find yourself making a macrame wall hanging and you've kind of ran out of rope there at the end to have as long of the fringe as you want, this is a great way that you could add that fringe to add length to your projects. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.